With just 10 minutes a day, I'm going to show you how to make money on ClickBank just like this. With this ClickBank for Beginners tutorial using these free tools. You don't need any experience to use these, you don't need a website, this is 100% free and it works worldwide. I'm going to show you how you can put this all together and get free traffic using one of the biggest sites, which I'm going to reveal to you on this video. And you can use all of this for free to make money on ClickBank just like this. All you need to do is make sure you watch this entire video all the way because I'm going to show you everything step by step. Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. Now let's dive in straight into the video. I want to show you how to make money on ClickBank as a complete beginner. This is a fantastic strategy. But before you go into ClickBank and do anything, you need to think about a niche and something that you're happy to promote or a category that you want to get into. And for the purposes of this video today, I know that the animal and pet niche does really well. And I know that dog training in particular does really well. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in dog training tips into Google over here. And what's going to happen is you're going to find all these different websites. Sometimes you're going to find articles. You'll probably find some ads that people are running on the first page from time to time. And what you want to do is you want to come over here, you want to open up all these different articles, and we're going to use these different articles to provide value. And I'm going to show you where you're going to provide this value, where you're going to get a ton of free traffic to make money on ClickBank. So when you come down here, what you want to find is something like 7 most popular dog training methods, for example. You've even got 10 uncommon training tips, for example. 5 essential dog training commands. And when I show you this entire strategy, you will be able to choose a niche that you want to go into. So when you open up something like this website over here, it's going to take you over to their website over here. Now there's nothing that we need to do on their website. All you need to do is find a website that you can use to provide value, and this can be in any niche. This could be in a different type of animal niche. This can be in a relationship niche to make money online niche. It can be a self-help niche. It doesn't matter. From there, what you want to do is you quite simply want to come over to ClickBank and you need to sign up and create yourselves an account. All you need to do is come over here and sign up, or quite simply log in. Now once you log into ClickBank, what you want to do is you want to come over here to their marketplace. Now once you're on their marketplace, come over here and type in dog training. And what we're going to be doing is to get a product, find a product, get their link, and I'm going to show you how you can provide a lot of value so that you can start to make money on ClickBank. Now you're going to find all these different products, and what I suggest you do with any product is to come over here and open up all these products and have a look and see which products you feel will work the best, or the ones that you know resonate really well with the product or the brand or the image that you're trying to portray whenever you're creating any type of affiliate business. Now I know that this one over here is a very good product because the gravity itself is 150. So if you come over here and click onto this product, it's going to take you over to their page, and it's a really good product. So in order to promote this ClickBank product, all you need to do is click on to promote now. Once you click on to promote, you need to generate hop links. Once you generate this hop link, you want to copy that, and once you've copied that link over there, what you want to do is potentially paste this link somewhere. From there, you want to come over to this website over here. It's called exitbar.io. Now I'm going to show you how to put all of these together, and it's going to make a lot of sense. Now this is an ad call to action type of site, which means you can add a website on here, and what this is going to do is when somebody is reading this website that you're going to put on here, a call to action is going to pop up on that site. Now the good thing and what I really like about this site is it doesn't just sit there. It kind of pops up and flashes, which draws your attention to it. And when you're promoting a ClickBank product, especially in a niche that resonates, people will see that, they'll click onto it, and if they purchase it, you're going to make money on ClickBank. Let me put this together for you and show you exactly how it works, because the the free traffic method that people are running this with are absolutely crushing it because they're getting hundreds and thousands of millions of visitors every single month. So the good thing about this site, you don't even need to create an account. All you need to do is come over here and click on to create a link. Now, once you click onto that, this is where you want to paste the URL of the website that you're going to be putting in front of people. All you need to do is copy this URL. We're going to come back over to this site and we're going to paste that in this box. Once you do that, you quite simply want to click on to go. As you can see, the first thing you're going to have over is a linked name, and you can just put dog training tips, for example. And then from there, you can see here you've got pop-up type. Click onto that. There's a few different pop-ups that you can use. Now, a simple pop-up is nice and easy. You've got banner video pop-up, product pop-up, product card, redirect if you want to send someone away to another site, which is not what we want to do. We just want to run with a simple pop-up. Now, the shortened domain, we can leave that. That doesn't matter. And then over here, you just have to disable this and then click on to next. Now, once you click onto the next step over here, what's going to happen is you can see here heading. So with the heading, this is where we're going to create this pop-up. Now, this is something very important. Use something that you can see over here with the product that you're promoting. You quite simply highlight this, so you can use something like develop your dog's hidden intelligence. So copy this and paste that in there. And then over here, you've got text. So what is this about? You can basically come over here, you can scroll down and you can find something that you can use from here. So you can quite simply just come over here and copy this as an example, but you can create your own text, make it simple with less words. Over here, where do you want this pop-up to pop up? And I'm going to show you an example of what this looks like. Now, I'm going to leave it top right because I find that works really well for me. And then over here, you've got pop-up type. So you've got delayed or scrolled. I'm going to leave it on delayed and I'm going to say half a second. What that means is when somebody clicks onto your link, they're going to see that website and half a second later, that call to action is going to pop up. So they're going to see something happening on the site, they're going to see it and then they'll click onto it. If it's automatically there, they may not see it if they're reading an article on the left-hand side. So when you come down here, you've got pop-up styling. I'm going to leave that as it is, but you can customize it the way you want it, like the effect, duration, heading color, text color, and the background color. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up and let me know which country you're coming from so that I can make more videos in your region. Now, this is where you've got your call to action button. Now, from here, what you want to do is you want to type something in here that's going to entice anybody reading this to click into here. You want to type something like click here to learn how to train your dog as an example. And then over here, this is where you're going to put that CLICKBANK ID. So anybody that clicks onto it, it's gonna drive them directly to that offer. So we're going to paste that CLICKBANK affiliate product link in there. And there are some more options that you can change, but I'm just going to leave those as is. You can just play around it when you try it out yourself. Now, you can preview this if you want to. If you come over here and click on to preview, you're going to see this pop up here. Now, take a look at this. Develop your dog's hidden intelligence. Now, when you scroll down, it says click here to learn how to train your dog. Once I click onto that, it's going to take them over to the offer. So let's close this and let me show you exactly how this works, because we're going to need this link in order to promote this with the free traffic method that we are going to get. So once you're there, you come over here and click onto the next step. And then once you get over to here, you've got other background effects and stuff that you can put in here, but you absolutely don't need to. And then over here, this is very important. You click on to generate a link. Now over here, it's going to tell you to sign up and it costs $34.99. What you want to do is you want to scroll down here and click where it says no thank you, show my link. Now this is the link over here. We're going to copy this link and then what we want to do is paste this over here and let it load. You can see here that this is the website 7 most popular dog training methods. Now when anybody comes over here, what they're gonna do is they're gonna start scrolling down to start reading this and other ads are going to pop up. But as you can see here, in a couple of seconds over here as they're reading this, you're going to find a pop-up over here, the call to action pop-up that we just made earlier. And when they scroll down over here, click here to learn how to train your dog. So if they click onto these, it's going to take them them straight over to our product over here. So where are you going to use that link to this site for you to make money online? So the site that we are going to be using is Pinterest. And the reason why we're going to be using Pinterest is because I've seen how much traffic people drive to their businesses and their links with Pinterest. If you come over to Pinterest and you come over here to where it says search over here and you type in dog training as an example, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. And in the side tab over here, just select people. And then what you want to do is you want to come over and you want to open up some of these different profiles of people. I want to show you how much traffic they get because this is a 10-minute a day exercise to create one pin, and I'm going to show you how to do it on this video. These are just some of the profiles I've opened up. Now this person over here called Dog Training Advice Tips has 63,700 followers and they get 4.4 monthly views of people that are going onto this person's pins and potentially clicking onto an affiliate link where this person can make money online or make money with ClickBank. So that's the first profile. The other one that we opened is called Good Doggies Online Easy Dog Training Tips with 54,000 followers and 6.1 million monthly views. Now it's going to take a little bit of consistency, but to create one pin a day will take you less than 10 minutes. That 10 minutes can make you money on ClickBank consistently in passive income over and over again. And I'm going to show you where you're going to place our link. Now the first thing that you need to do is you need to come over to Pinterest and you need to create an account for yourself. I highly recommend that you create a business Pinterest account so it shows you exactly how many monthly views that you get. It allows you to run ads and if you want to promote your pins. Make sure that your Pinterest account is created something around the dog niche or whatever niche that you decide to do this in. From there, what you need to do is you need to create a pin. Click create here and create pin. It's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. You need to create a title and then you need to add the destination link, which is the URL of the website and the call to action that we've got. So in order to create a pin, all you need to do is to come over to a site called canva.com. All you need to do is come over here and click on to create a design and just search for Pinterest. It's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. Now over here, all you need to do is type in animals because what we want to do is use a dog or a cat or whatever it might be that you're doing. If you scroll down, you can find a whole range of different types of pins with animals. Now all you need to do is come over here and select a pin that you like. I selected this one over here, but I've created my own pin using this exact same template and it's right over here. So what I did is I just copied the heading of the website that we used earlier. Once you're done editing your pin, what you need to do is come over here and we're going to download this pin. This is going to download onto my computer. We're going to upload this to Pinterest and I'm going to show you how to use that article. Now the reason why we're using articles is because you can go straight to a landing page, you can go straight to a sales page, but what happens is a lot of people are seeing this stuff and they're clicking straight off when you're doing it this way. And you're providing a real website with every single pin that you put up. That is a lot of real value that you're providing to your audience on Pinterest in whatever niche that you want. These are real articles from professionals, they're getting a ton of value. Now from there, if they want to go further and purchase a good quality product, they absolutely can by clicking onto the link that you're putting on there with the call to action, which is going to allow you to make money on ClickBank. What we need to do now is we need to come back over to Pinterest. All you need to do is upload that pin here on this box. Now the pin that I got is an animated pin of a dog that's actually moving. The good thing about this is it's going to draw people's attention. Over here, all you need to do is type in something like dog training tips as an example. Then tell everyone about the pin. If you want to learn how to train your dog, click on the link inside the pin for a free article. Then over here, you've got tags. So you can just type in something like animals as an example and you can find cute baby animals, funny animals. You can even type in dogs if you see dogs over there and you can quite simply click onto any other tags that you want. Then this is where you're going to paste your link. So what you do from here is paste your exit bar shortened link with the website that has the call to action pop up. From here, all you need to do is click onto publish, but before you hit publish, what you want to do is you want to come over here and create a new board. I'm going to call it dog training as an example. So a new board's been created and now we've got 7 popular dog training tips. We've got that link in there and we're going to hit publish. Once we hit publish, this is now going to be a pin that's going to be available on my Pinterest profile. So if I come over here and I click on to see your pin, this is the pin that's on my profile over here. So now if I come back over to my profile, I can show you exactly where it is and show you you that this is legit. You can see this here and I can take you over to the offer. So it's over here, 7 popular dog training tips. So if somebody sees this pin over here, that's what they're going to see if they come over here and click onto this link over here. It's going to take them over to this article that's going to give them a lot of value. Once this finishes loading, you're going to see your call to action pop up. You come over here, click here to learn how to train your dog. If anybody clicks onto that, it's going to take him straight over to this dog training product. Anybody comes over here and purchases, you make money on ClickBank. This is an awesome way for you to get started, and like I keep saying, this can work in any niche for you to make money on ClickBank. All you need to do with Pinterest is stay consistent, put up a lot of these pins. I recommend 1 pin a day, and you can start to get hundreds of thousands, millions of views every single month on your Pinterest profile, just like these over here. Can you imagine getting that many eyeballs onto an offer, and you can do the exact same on ClickBank? All you need to do is stay consistent, post every single day, find different articles, create multiple different niche, even start promoting other products, and you can absolutely crush it and make some really good money on ClickBank in 2021.
Before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace!